Okay, so today I've got an interesting challenge. We have a tree that I want to cut down for firewood. It's a walnut. It was a sister, and I tried to save it by cutting off one of the limbs, but it has died. So it needs to come down because this one's really dangerous. I mean, look at the lean. It's crazy. You could climb that and make a tree house out of it. Now this one is going to be more dangerous than the last one I cut. I just cut a tree up here a while ago. It was dead, and what happened was it was so dead that I couldn't create a hinge, even though I was working very hard at it, and there was a little bit of back lean to it, and it decided to go ahead and take the back lean because there was no hinge to hold on to it. Well, this one, what will happen is as you're cutting, so you'll cut your wedge here, and then you'll start cutting down into the wedge. What will happen is you'll get about halfway through it, and the tree will split right down the center, just like that. So you have a piece of it that will shoot straight up and hit you in the face, or I mean, it's absolutely dangerous. I've actually seen a video, or a picture, excuse me. I don't know how true it was. It could have been, this was before the AI thing was really popular, but it could have been staged. But it appeared that a tractor with a bucket lift was trying to hold the tree so it wouldn't, they call it, I think, armchair, or no, barber chair. That's what they call it. They were trying to keep it from barber chairing like that. And so what happened was it came up, grabbed the bucket, and lifted the whole tractor up. Now, like I said, don't know how true it was, but the possibility could have been there, at least I would think. Now, so how you go about doing this is you cut your wedge, and instead of coming in from the side, you'll take your saw and you'll come in straight through the center and then back it out. That way you have a sliver of meat back on the back side. So you're cutting the weakest point where it's going to split. You're cutting that first, but you still got plenty of meat over here holding on. So when you're done, you'll just cut it and run. So we're going to give this a try. I got to do a little bit of cleaning. I don't want to cut all these trees down, but I'm going to, these little saplings, but I'm going to have to. There's a trick to punching a hole into the wood. So instead of just going in tip first like this, what you have to do is you have to kind of angle your tack a little bit, because if you don't, what's going to happen is you're going to come, it's going to fling your saw. So you come in like this, and when you're deep enough, then you can come in like that. Okay, so that worked almost perfectly. I was dang near there. It was enough that I was able to make it work. So the only hiccup was it did snap, just like I said it would. It didn't armchair, but it did snap, so I didn't get the cut all the way through. So it ripped it. But everything else worked perfectly. It landed in between the trees that I was hoping for. Even my little sapling. I cut a little limb off so I wouldn't have to take the whole sapling down. So I guess now we'll clean it up. Not bad. My work's done before breakfast. So if I can inspire you, get your work done before breakfast so you live your dreams. Thanks for watching.